Hey, this is Brian Pfeiffer here, marketingmeathead.com, and today I'm going to talk about giving away to charity. All right, welcome back. So it's kind of funny. I didn't make it to Funnel Hacking Live this year, but I wanted to still be a part of it, and I kind of been keeping up on some of the media and stuff that's been going out from the event. I chose to go to Traffic and Conversion Summit instead. Couldn't do both. It's like there's just too many freaking events going on, like back to back to back, and I got to get some work done. So unfortunately, I can't. I don't really get too much work done during those events. But there was a cool giveaway they were doing. They always have some sort of charity at the Funnel Hacking Live event where they. I've been to the Funnel Hacking Live, by the way, but it wasn't this year. It was maybe a few years back, one of the first ones. And they always have some charity, and what they're trying to do is they're getting people in the crowd to give away donations to the charity. I think this year it was the Underground Railroad or something. Kind of helps with uh, I think it's like, prostitution or something like that. Anyway, I'm not exactly sure 100% what the charity does, but it's a good cause. And what they do is they always come up with a really good lead magnet, basically something that is like very, very appealing, something that people want. And the thing that the people was like this book. It was like 74 of like the best funnels that, ClickFunnels users have ever come up with, and basically like the whole step by step of all the funnels and what they do. And I'm like, man, I'm getting ready to build out some really good funnels. I'd like to get my hands on this book. It'd be pretty good. So I went ahead and, decided that I was going to go ahead and donate the $500. If anybody follows my 2019 goals, one of my goals is to give away $5,000 over the course of the year to different charities and whatnot. And I'm like, this is a good start. Give away 500 to this, get this book I really want, and goes to a good cause. Everybody kind of wins. And so I did that. This was on Saturday night, and we've been doing pretty well with a couple campaigns, pretty consistently pulling about 1 to 2 to 3,000 a day on average, depending on the day of the week. And out of the blue, Sunday rolls around after I made that donation, and we crushed it. I mean, we had a day here. You can see this was a day that we actually did a 85.68 in commissions on one day, and that was about a $4,000 profit in there. That was on one offer, and this was since the beginning of March here. These numbers you can see month to date 3.1 to 3.5. We did 12.6 in that one, and this was a good day. On Sunday, we ended up doing about 1,500 profit on this one and this one here. You can see month to date 3.1 to 3.5. It's about 7,800. So it's roughly 20K between these two. And then so far, month to date on this one, we've done about right here, this number here, 29,586. It's kind of hard to read. I'll make it a little bigger. 29,586. That's month to date. Okay, that's March. So just in the first part of March here, we've done almost 60K in the first 5 days. And the profit margin's been pretty good. I'm not going to lie. We're probably running somewhere around like 35 to 40% profit on these offers. And these are all CPA. There's no reserve account that we're having to put money into. We're actually going to see that money right away. These are all on fairly quick payouts, like 1 week, 5 days, whatnot. But it was funny because I'd been watching a Ryan Daniel Moran video. He's one of the guys I follow on YouTube. He's kind of an interesting guy, and he was basically he was kind of going over like kind of like his top 7 things here that he suggested as an entrepreneur, what you need to do. And I'll do another video on that down the road. But the one of the things I remember seeing in that video was the last thing was give until it hurts, and basically it was just saying basically give, a donation or whatever, like effort or time, and anything that has to do with like giving to charity until it hurts. And it was funny because I went ahead and gave and didn't expect anything of it. I was just, more interested in, fulfilling my goals, helping out a good cause, and then, potentially getting my hands on this book, and, figured down the road it might help my business or whatever. And ultimately the next day we just absolutely just blew up. And between the affiliate accounts that we had running, my other business, which I closed the deal, and my other buddy or my other business partner, he had a big deal he closed that day too. We had like a $7,000 profit Sunday. It was probably like the best Sunday I've ever had in terms of profit. So I was like, wow, that's pretty dope that happened like the next day after I did that donation. So I don't know if it's related. I can't say 100% for sure if it is, but I will tell you, it seems like every time that I've made a donation in my past, whether it be to a charity or helped out a friend or given my time. It seems like there's always something, like the universe always rewards me with something good. I remember once I volunteered to help out my friend. She does like these homeless type of events in Vegas. She's real big into the homeless, trying to help the homeless. And what we did is I went out and played like I was a security guy for like some event they were doing for a bunch of like underprivileged kids and whatnot. It was like a Santa type of thing. I wasn't dressed up or anything, but I was there helping out, move around the crowds and whatnot. And the next, like within like the next day or even the next couple of days, I had this business deal that came across my desk and ultimately ended up turning into like a multi six-figure deal that just came out of the blue. Like I didn't expect it. Wasn't asking for it. I didn't expect it. Anything like that was going to happen, but it totally happened. So, whether it's related or not, I can't really say for sure, but it seems like to me that every time I go and put a little bit of effort into, most of the gurus out there will tell you this, and the guys that have a lot of money, they give, and then, more good things continue to happen. And I think there's a lot of truth to that. And being a internet marketer, and if you are getting some success, is giving a little bit of that back to the, whether it be a charity or the community, or giving your time if you don't have a lot of money back to the community or whatnot. I think it's going to play a role in your success overall, because so far in terms of my career and my good fortunes online, I guess you could say, giving has proven over and over again to be a valuable part of my business. So if you haven't subscribed yet and you like the message in this video, I would appreciate a comment below, a like on the video, and subscribe and bang the notifications bell on the Marketing Meathead. I have a great video about spying coming up next, so go ahead and check that out over here. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.